Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to use Alexa as a Bluetooth device. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Friends, now we are going to start the process. Click on More, Settings, Device Settings. Click on your Echo and click on a Bluetooth device. Pair a new device. And it is now searching for the Bluetooth devices to pair. Select your device from which you want to pair. So friends, there will be option to pair. So friends, it's now successfully paired. So friends, now I am giving you an example. This is Alexa
playing from 5713 CD17.
Wow. And this is its AC output in 3 colors, and my color
kids screaming in the corridors, profanities. I see the eyes covered in ink and paint.
So friends, our video is over. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.